people, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I make my full option salad. I'm sure you'd like to know how I brought this all together with my famous dressing. So you need to watch this video to the end. And while we're at it, please just hit the subscribe button below and subscribe to my channel. My name is Grace and I make recipes you will find very interesting. Here are some of the ingredients we use for this salad. This is my cabbage. I've already washed everything that we'll be using for this recipe. This is my cucumber. I will also be using green apples. I use 2. I have my carrots. I use 3 medium-sized carrots. This is my tomato, seedless grapes. I use 2 boiled eggs. Now it is time for us to cut, grate and shred all these ingredients that we displayed. For the quantity of all these other ingredients I showed in this video, we'll be using half of this cabbage. We won't like the cabbage to overwhelm the other ingredients. For my carrots, I'll be grating it. For my cucumbers, I'll grate it too. And for the cucumber, we only be needing the outer part of it. We won't need the inside, and that is it. Also with the tomato, we'll remove the inside of it and just cut the remaining part. The excess of this is so that the salad won't be soggy. Like I told you at the beginning of this video, even a non-salad lover will totally enjoy this. Now it's time for us to assemble everything we have shredded, cut all together. I'll be pouring in my cabbage. I'm just going to pour this not in any particular order, followed with my carrot. This is our shredded cucumber. Here is the seedless grapes. The boiled eggs. Some of the ingredients that we displayed were actually cut off camera, but for emphasis sake, I showed the ones that needed to be shown on how I did that. And here is our tomato, apples, and finally peas. I don't know how I skipped it when I was showing the list of the ingredients we were using. So I'm going to set this aside and now prepare our famous dressing. So here is my mayonnaise. And the next thing is where the secret ingredient lies. This is a mixture of evaporated milk and condensed milk. I'll be adding my black pepper and I'll mix everything together. Let me tell you something, it's the dressing of your salad that will determine if people actually love your salad. So I'll be mixing everything together. See, it don't need to be smoothly blended just for it to come together. We'll go ahead now to transfer it into our salad. I'll mix everything together thoroughly, and here we have our full option salad. Try this out, even a non-salad lover will jump on this. And what I do if I'm to consume the salad immediately, like this one, I put all the veggies and fruit, everything that we use here, came from the fridge. That way I won't need to just put it back inside the fridge, let it have that appropriate temperature. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment and subscribe to my channel. I would like to see you in my next video. For now, bye bye.